Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to justify text in Framer. First, I want you to go ahead and open up the project you're working on and select the text. So you can either come here to layers and find the text and select it, okay? Or what you could go ahead and do is come here, the design view, and just click on that text layer. As you can see, it's now highlighted and you get a bunch of different options on the right hand panel. All I need you to do now is scroll down, okay, until you see this section, text, right? And here you'll see the option that says align. And the fourth option right here, as you can see, is justify text. So this one is highlighted. I'll just click here on justify. And there you go. As you can see, the text has now been justified. And it's really that easy and simple.